In this video, I will show you the new method on how to clear Google Chrome cache. First off, after you open up your Google Chrome browser like this, go to this three dot, scroll to down, go to settings. After you open the settings, go to this privacy and security. Now scroll to down under the privacy and security, select this delete browsing data. So from this option, there is different thing you need to delete in order for you to delete all the cache. So the first thing, make sure you select this browsing history, you select the cookies, you select the cache. Here is the cache, and then you select the download history. So if you click on this see more, so there is different option you can go ahead now and delete, but I'll advise you to stick on the three on these four options. First one, browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache, images and files, and download history. So select only these three. The only these are the only thing that makes your cache like consume need more data on your browsing. So after you select all this, click on this more button. So in this more button, go ahead now and select this all time. By default, you'll be able to find it like 7 days or last 24 hours. Just click on this show more, select all time. After you select all time, click on this delete button. So now it deleted all your cache from your browser. And that's it guys on how to delete cache on Chrome browser. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.